Today's video is all about Perplexity AI, one of the coolest AI tools out there. Whether you're new to it or already using it, I'm going to share some awesome tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Perplexity. One of the standout features of Perplexity AI is focus. You can tailor your query based on content. Whether you're looking for YouTube ideas, academic references, or even solving math problems, this feature lets you laser in on your search, making the platform far more efficient than generic search engines. Let's try an example. How are volcanoes formed? Perplexity AI will instantly give you answers from multiple sources and list the references. If you click on the sources, you can go straight to original articles. A really cool feature for researchers is spaces. Let's say you're working on a volcano report. You can add all your items into a space, organize them, and even set preferences for how the responses should be formatted, like bullet points. You can also switch between AI models like GPT-4, Gemini Pro, or Claude 2.1. If you need more complex answers, just change the model in the settings. Use GPT for detailed research or advanced inquiries, and Claude for faster, simpler tasks. Worried about data privacy? You can turn off data training within the settings. This is especially useful if you're using this tool for sensitive information. The Discover tab also pulls trending news, similar to a news aggregator. You can stay up to date on recent topics. Perplexity AI can work really well with precise and specific questions. Instead of a broad question like "What is AI?", try something like "How does AI affect healthcare in 2024? This gives the AI better context to generate high-quality answers. Think of Perplexity AI as a researcher. Giving it more focused prompts will give you richer, more accurate insights. One of Perplexity AI's best features is it cites its sources. After you get the answer, don't forget to scroll down and explore the links. You can dive deeper into the information from reliable sources, making it an awesome tool for searching. Use it as a starting point for projects or papers by pulling multiple sources and analyzing them. One cool thing about Perplexity AI is that you can ask follow-up questions to refine your search. If you get the answer, but need more clarity, just ask a related question. Besides asking questions, you can use Perplexity AI for other creative tasks. Try using it to generate content ideas, brainstorm solutions for problems, or even draft outlines for presentations and reports. A lot of content creators are now using Perplexity AI to help with script writing, idea generation, and research. It's a time saver, especially when you need a lot of information quickly. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.